Hello guys, how to fix 0x8E5E0643 Microsoft Store error in Windows 10 and Windows 11. And the first workaround to fix Windows Store error code, right click on start button, choose run command box, and here execute the command WSReset.exe. This command will clear Microsoft Store caches. Sometimes Microsoft Store caches is also a cause of Microsoft Store error, so you must clear the Windows Store cache first. The second workaround to fix this issue is, again, go to Windows search and type a store troubleshoot and choose find and fix problems with Windows Store apps. Open it. Here troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems. Choose next and also apply repairs automatically. Make the check against this option and let the window complete the process. It will not only detect the issue, resolved accordingly. The next workaround to fix this issue is, again go to run command box and here type inetcpl.cpl. It will open internet properties. Internet properties windows will appear. Here go to connection tab. Under local area network connection, choose LAN settings and disable proxy server. Use a proxy server for your LAN. Disable this option and press OK. The next workaround to fix this issue is, again right click on the start button, choose settings and go to accounts, create a other user accounts. Go to other users, choose add account, add other user, add account, and here choose I don't have this person sign in my information. Click on this. Create a different user account may help to resolve this issue. Here choose add a user without a Microsoft account and fill all the required data and press next and follow on screen instruction to create a new user account, and accordingly your error will Microsoft error will be resolved.